Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Rob here, and today I'm working on something that I think you guys are going to find interesting because it directly relates to you. So I recently was watching a video from Jordan Peterson, and I think he was talking to Joe Rogan. And what was really interesting about this video was that Jordan Peterson was talking about the importance of YouTube and podcasts and basically long-form conversation. And it just completely blew my mind. Because what Jordan Peterson was saying was that YouTube and podcasts and long-form conversation is a recent thing in terms of its availability to the masses, and that the complexity and craziness of the world requires these longer form conversations. But up until the advent of the internet, YouTube, podcasts, etc., those long form conversations were really only open to authors, and they were open to the mainstream media, CNN, Fox, CBC, ABC, depending on what country you're in. And the thing with media up until now is that because it's so expensive, that these long, complex issues were really only given 3 to 5 minute sound bites to be able to discuss them, which oversimplified the complexity of these issues. So how does that pertain to a router and to a table? Well, as a result of what Jordan Peterson said, which was basically that YouTube and podcasts have the ability to be more disruptive than the Gutenberg press, I decided that permaculture, regenerative agriculture, ecological engineering, all the stuff that I'm involved in, local food, nutrient density, all those things that I'm constantly talking about on this channel, needed to have a proper studio. And so we've been building a studio over the last 6 months. I know it's taken a long time, but I'm a busy guy, and I have only been able to fit time in from time to time in order to get this done. And so this table is almost done now, and I just want to shout out to the guys that have helped me to make this a reality. So Maui, thank you so much for providing me the wood. And Vaden, thank you so much for opening up your shop at Hull Services to let me process this wood into a table. It's been absolutely incredible, and I want to have both of you guys over for a long form conversation to talk about this whole space and whatever is on your mind at the time. And uncover some of these issues and talk about some of the stuff that you guys are working on. So I'll invite you guys first just to thank you for helping me to put this together. So I'm going to finish routing this table so that nobody gets slivers and the edges are smooth. We've got our legs already ready to go. So I got some steel legs here. You can see right here. We're gonna put those on the bottom. And we're going to start hosting long-form conversations in our new studio downstairs here, probably within a week or two. And I'm curious, as a YouTube watcher, somebody that's on my channel, that's watching this video right now, how do you find those long-form conversations? Are they too long? Are you finding them interesting? Do you get value from them? There's quite a few of them already on the channel right now, and I'd love to get your take on it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel and you're liking the content, you're getting value out of it, one way that you can support the channel is by giving me a like. You can hit subscribe if you're not subscribed. But also you'll notice that we've got these new t-shirts. And so there's actually a link below that you can go to purchase a t-shirt from Teespring. We've got a bunch of really cool logos and sayings on there. This one is keep calm and grow a pair. So if you're interested in getting one of these t-shirts and supporting the channel, it helps me. It also helps my editor, Derek. Thanks so much for all the work you do, Derek. He makes these videos really shine. So stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be doing some really cool long-form conversations with the smartest people that I know about all the issues pertaining to the world, and we're going to try and unpack them and make sense of them so that you guys can action them using permaculture, using ecological engineering, using regenerative farming, using the concepts of nutrient-dense food. And if you've got topics that you want us to uncover and unwrap, put it in the comment section below. We keep an eye on those things, and we love to get feedback from all of you guys out there on YouTube. All right, guys, see you real soon. We will keep you guys up to date and informed with regards to what's happening. Talk to you later.